Did you know that up until the 1980s, millions suffered from a mysterious and painful condition known as stomach ulcers, with no clear cause or cure? For centuries, people believed ulcers were caused by stress, spicy foods, or even by overworking the body. These tiny but excruciating sores were known to bring lives to standstill as sufferers endured agonizing pain and endless treatments that provided only temporary relief. Patients were told it was their lifestyle causing the pain, a stressful job, poor diet, or personal habits. Doctors prescribed antacids and bland diets, hoping to calm the stomach. But despite these treatments, the ulcers would often return, leaving the patients in despair. That was until two determined Australian scientists, Robin Warren and Barry Marshall, came together. Their groundbreaking discovery soon rewrite everything doctors thought they knew about ulcers. Back in the 1970s and early 80s, ulcers were a mystery. Patients suffered from burning pain, nausea, and life-disrupting symptoms. Doctors believed stress and spicy foods caused these ulcers, but despite treating the symptoms, a real cure eluded them. Our story starts in 1979 with Dr. Robin Warren, a pathologist in Perth, Australia. Warren had spent years examining stomach biopsies and noticed a strange spiral-shaped bacterium, Helicobacter pylori, present in the tissue specimens from the stomachs of many patients suffering from ulcers. Most believed bacteria couldn't survive in the stomach's acidity, but Warren thought otherwise. But Warren needed a partner who could test this theory further, someone willing to take a risk. This is where a young, determined doctor named Barry Marshall enters the story. Born in Kalgoorlie, Australia, Barry Marshall was a passionate young doctor with a fascination for solving medical mysteries. In the early 1980s, he teamed up with pathologist Robin Warren, who had discovered a strange type of bacteria in the stomach of ulcer patients. Barry and Robin's theory was radical. They believed that ulcers were caused by a specific bacterium, Helicobacter pylori. Barry and Robin were up against a wall. They faced ridicule and resistance. Clinical trials were expensive, and patients weren't lining up to volunteer for stomach bacterial studies. In order to prove that the bacterium that had been isolated caused a disease, Marshall tried to fulfill Koch's fourth postulate. This implies that an infectious agent that has been isolated must cause the same disease in an experimental animal as in the humans. In the absence of a suitable animal model, Barry Marshall realized there was only one way to prove it, and he was willing to do something extraordinary to test this theory. In 1984, Barry Marshall decided to test the theory on himself. He drank a beaker filled with Helicobacter pylori. Within days, he developed symptoms: nausea, vomiting, stomach pain, the classic signs of an ulcer. This was it. He was putting himself in danger to show the world that bacteria, not the stress, was the cause. Doctors confirmed that he now had an ulcer. Barry took antibiotics and his ulcer healed. This experiment grabbed headlines and finally started to turn the tide in the medical community. Barry had shown that antibiotics could treat and cure ulcers, a monumental shift in how doctors would approach the condition. But still, it took years for the broader medical community to fully accept the findings. The idea was simply too radical. Marshall and Warren were among the first to show that the ulcer patients can be cured for good if the Helicobacter is eliminated from the stomach with the help of antibiotics. In 2005, Barry Marshall and Robin Warren's efforts were finally rewarded with the Nobel Prize in Medicine. Their work was since saved millions from unnecessary surgery, pain, and lifelong struggles with ulcers. Today, Barry Marshall's legacy lives on. Treatments for ulcers are now very faster, simpler, and far less invasive. All thanks to the daring experiment of a doctor who wouldn't give up on his idea. The discovery also opened doors to the study of gut bacteria and its effects on health, sparkling new fields of research. Barry Marshall's story reminds us that sometimes one person's determination and bravery can change the world. If you found this story inspiring, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with friends who love incredible true stories from science and medicine. Thanks for watching.